In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write 1.2-3 ard4th in Excel. This is a very simple Excel trick, and it is useful when you want to create an ordered list with the correct ordinal endings. Instead of typing each one manually, Excel can continue the pattern for you once you start it correctly. I will walk you through the process slowly so it is easy to follow. Begin by clicking cell A1 on your worksheet. This is where you will enter the first value in the sequence. Once cell A1 is selected, type first into the cell. Make sure you include both the number and the letters exactly as shown, because this tells Excel the pattern you want to build. After typing first, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This confirms the entry and places the value into the cell. Now go back and click cell A1 again, so it is selected once more. You need to reselect the cell before using Excel's fill feature. Next, move your mouse cursor to the tiny square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This small square is called the fill handle. As you place your cursor over it, watch for the pointer to change into a black plus sign. That change is important because it shows you are in the correct spot to drag the pattern. Once you see the black plus sign, click and hold down your left mouse button on that square. Keep holding and drag your mouse downward across the cells below a 1. For example, you can drag down to cell A4 if you want a short sequence. As you drag, Excel prepares to continue the series based on the value you entered. Now release your mouse button. Excel will automatically fill the cells below with second, third, and fourth. This is the quickest way to create these ordinal numbers in order without typing each one by hand. If it does not work the first time, check that you started with first exactly and that you dragged using the fill handle, not the edge of the cell. That small detail makes all the difference. That covers everything you need to know.